Yo guys, what is up? In today's video I'm going to be playing some Fortnite Battle Royale. This is the first video, so my name is Manic, and I am going to be in Children. So yeah, subscribe.
I see. That's what you did, like, we're like. Anybody who has white in their name, they're a streamer. Like,
I'm a streamer, I'm streaming right now.
I'm not a dumb guy, I'm a YouTuber. I'm dumb guy.
Okay, there I go. I killed him.
I gotta get out of this place.
Yeah, because
Why
there's
is there
fire.
fire here? Guys, you guys wanna go hire Galacto?
Okay, yeah.
No, don't hire, no, yeah, hire him.
No, we'll do it. I know to get the weapon. God,
Have you ever had a dream
that's gonna scam me. I thought
you want that?
They scammed me. Don't try them. The last was gonna scam me.
Why didn't y'all hire him?
Ooh, that's last shot.
Hey guys, come here. I got a shield keg.
Does anybody have a flare gun?
Guys, come over here. I have a shield keg. Guys, I'm placing my shield keg.
Hey, that fish. Guys, why is the place on fire? Why is this place burning? Oh, I'm getting hot. Oh, I'm hot. Help me. I'm not. Let me get some shields. Are you not gonna help me?
You guys hired a Galacto?
I did. Blue machine pistol, let's go. I got a blue machine pistol. It's doing pretty good damage on that shark.
I'm driving the boat.
Guys, don't damage it when it gets close to him.
That's my weapon. It's inside of mine. Out of mine. Nope.
I got the purple machine pistol. So I had
I need
to.
a gold. If I get a gold weapon, well, look, I do good weapons. That and that.
On stream, I've never gotten a purple machine pistol. I better be recording now.
Guys, after this game, I have to get off.
Right. Who do I got online? I got PJ's online. Let's go, I got a purple machine pistol. Let's see what this thing's stats are. It's got 18 damage, 13.5 fire rate, magazine size 35, reload time 2.4. Okay, that's pretty good.
Another one. There's another shark on me.
Kill it.
Oh, we want to fly.
I want its ammo.
It's mine.
I want its ammo.
Let me. Oh, here it is. Like I just not found this. Oh!
Guys, I need SMG ammo. I need SMG ammo. Guys, I need SMG ammo. Like, quickly.
Oh, right there.
Guys, I need SMG ammo. Is anybody gonna listen to me? I need SMG ammo.
I think I'm going to do that.
Okay, fire. Come here.
I'm not
Okay, where?
Fire.
Me?
Yeah, I need SMG ammo.
Yeah.
Okay, drop SMG ammo, please. I just need SMG ammo. Okay, screw it. I just take this anyways. And I killed one. Do not take his ammo.
Another good.
Oh my goodness, bro. Alright, can I have my machine pistol?
Yeah, it's right here.
Where? Okay, I'm coming. There, you can have your purple back. Do you need that purple pump?
I need that.
I'll take the purple pump.
No, I got my purple one. That's
There's
mine.
another purple pump, brother.
Oh, Amazon's coming.
And we'll survive.
Crap, we're dead.
No, he ain't.
We're dead, guys. But how do you see the spider webs and I don't have spider webs? So I'm dead. I'm dead, guys.
Okay, nice.
No way. No, you're not gonna leave me. Leave me so loose. No.
We need to go right there. That's where
I make this, I
there's
can
a
make
crate
this.
right there.
Believe in myself. Believe in. Oh, my one is me. Oh, my one is on dead. I was at 1 HP the time I made it.
Guys, I'm in a very unsafe place.
And I'm very tired.
Okay, yeah, I'm dead. We have lost this
Goodness, I
game.
can